This is BBC News. This will be our final broadcast due to the fact that Mars's orbit abruptly changed and its new orbit leads to Earth. Once Mars collides with Earth, nothing will be felt. Everyone will die a painless death in just a blink of an eye. If you don't want to be in the path of Mars, you may commit suicide. This is not recommended if you have children or family that need to be confronted in these hard moments. Hold all your loved ones dearly as the end of humanity as we know it comes soon. Everyone at the BBC thanks our viewers for supporting us every time, even at hard moments. We love our dear supporters and wish our world stayed for a bit more. But as everyone knows it, all good things must come to an end. This is the BBC, signing off for the last time with our national anthem.